Now let's talk about the variables in Python. First of all, let's see the definition of the variables over here. A variable is like a container or a box that can hold different values. It means that it is simply the container where we can put different types of data. That might be integer type data, floating type data, or might be string type data. So we have already set up our Python in our system. So let's start our coding part. We have already installed Python in our system, and also we have installed the PySum in our system, but we don't use the PySum in this video. So we'll do the coding in the IDLE. So simple, after installing the Python, if you search the IDLE, then you can see the Python 3.12. This is our latest Python version till now. So just click over here and then it will open the IDLE command prompt over here. So if I want to type anything, and now I can start writing the Python code over here. So in this video, we'll discuss about the variables in the variables in Python. So first of all, if I type here a and equal to and 5, right? So what does it mean? A equal to 5. So I think you have seen many times a equal to 5, a equal to 10, or b equal to 7, b let x equal to something, let y equal to something in mathematics and especially in algebra, right? So this is also same as mathematics. So a means here, a means simply the variable name, and this 5 is the data. So I have already told you that the variable is a container which is used to store the data values. So it means that the a is the variable name and 5 is the data. It means that the a variable holding the 5 data over here, and this equal to is assignment operator. We'll discuss this separate video about the operator in Python. So simply just understand the concept. A is variable name and 5 is the data, right? And if I want to print the value of a, then I can simply use the print function in Python. So this print means the already predefined function is in Python. We haven't write this print function by ourselves. This is the already inbuilt function in the Python library, right? So if I want to print the value of a, and if I press enter, now I got the 5 as the output. So this is the simple example of the variable. So in variable, we can store the different types of different data types in the Python. So again, you can see another, let's just see another example of the variable a equal to, if I put 10, right? And if I want to print the value of a, just tell me what will be the output over here. So 5 or 10. Yes, if you said 10, then it is absolutely right. So if I press enter, then I will get the value 10. So why I'm getting the value 10 instead of 5? Because in variable we can replace the value. So if we initiate value a as 5, and during the runtime or during the execution of the programming, we can change this value later. So it means in variable we can change the value. But if we talk about the constant, we cannot change the value of constant. We'll talk about it later, but in this video we'll only focus on the variable, right? And in variable we can store the different data types value, like if a equal to if I put 5.5, right? So this is 50.5 and this is the floating value, right? So if I want to print this value, then I got 50.5. Also, if I press only A and if I press enter, then also I got 50.5, right? So I don't need to write print function over here to display the value of A. And also, if I put A equal to like string, and this is the string data type. So if I give any type of string, and string is basically nothing, we'll discuss about it later also. But if you put something inside the quotation, that is known as the string. And after this, if I press A, then I got name by default and without changing this quotation also. But if I need only the name without quotation, then I have to use print function over here, right? So and also I can put the different types of long, double, float, any types of data in the variable. So variable means simply the container which where it is used to store the data values, right? So but you have to understand here one thing. So if I type here the capital A equal to, right? So 5 or whatever be the value, right? Random value I'm giving 49, and if I press enter and if I print a, if I type print a, then it would value will be the 49. So it means that, and if I again type the print and small a, the value will be the name. So it means that the variable name in Python is case sensitive. So it means that the capital A and the small a is the different. And I'm giving the just variable name as a. You can use any variable name. So there is also a rule to, while creating the variable name, you can start with the number and so many rules over there. But simply that the variable is always used to store the some values in for temporary. So if you want to store that data in for the future purpose, then we need a database, right? So we are storing these values in a certain portion or certain location in the RAM of our system. So we'll discuss, very complex things in upcoming videos. But in this video, you understand about just the basic things. Hope you don't have any confusion. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.